So there we have the new light setup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wire it all in now with a battery and a switch and see what it looks like. Same if it's duff. See the difference? Right. So what's happening is when the yellow and the positive connect, we get a yellow light, but the bottom ones are mixing, so you've got both on, yellow and white.
So you've got the top ones are just doing yellow, but the bottom ones are mixing.
Oh, that's a shame. That is a shame, because it would have saved a switch. So now I've got to put another switch on these so I can disconnect the positive. Yeah. So these lights are easy, so I will leave them on yellow, amber. So they're cool, I can deal with that. We can just switch from a simple on-off switch which I've put on already. That I can deal with. So that's what I'm after, on off. That bulb is very dim compared to the other one. I might open it up, see if it's still, does look a bit frosty in there. It'd be a shame if it's duff.